you have to be in the process, you have to be in the zone, and then if you are doing it consistently, then you will be able to reproduce it there.
IEC secured 109 then. Let us give him big hand.
The C-load approach, that was missing. Like I planned, I was doing a foundation course, and in between of that I joined the MGP program. The application part, I have to back it up by theory. So I was consistently revising my notes, and then after that like writing the test on the day it comes, so that I do not miss any test. So that was the thing. Definitely see, this process is volatile. For example, on a day I was giving a simulation, and I gave 2 tests, GS3, GS4, and then I was able to complete the paper, and then I came back, I gave the 3rd test on that day, the GS4 ethics, and I was not able to complete it. I did not know how it went. So that is the thing, like you have to be in the process, you have to be in the zone, and then if you are doing it consistently, then you will be able to reproduce it there. Content wise also, like you need to improve upon it, like writing the same thing, awareness, we will engage the stakeholders. That does not bode well if you are going into the bureaucracy. Mentioning the definite substance, for example, if Prevention of Corruption Act is there, then mention section 17A of Prevention of Corruption Act, which is not being held in right spirit. So that kind of attitude in writing the answers, that helps. Besides, I also faced the challenge because I was writing content good enough, but I was not able to fill the pages. So fill the pages, that is also necessary. Like I come from an engineering background, and in my entire 4 years I have never written a theory paper except social psychology, which also unfortunately due to COVID I could not complete. So I had no idea how to write the theory paper. So I started slowly, I then started writing it. I was writing anything, like making blunders, but then I learned to complete papers, fill the pages, and fill it with good content. That is very necessary.